Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Follow and locate the notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay? To all our subscribers out there, we love you. Thanks for being here for us. Never lose your religion, okay?
God have mercy upon us.
Stay safe wherever you are, alright?
Mount your camera on a tripod. Use portrait mode, okay? Then after that, you can record yourself like this, saying anything of your choice, alright? You can just be saying anything of your choice. And after that, you just take a picture of your hand. Just look at it. After that, take a picture of your hand. And after that,
Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut.
Capcut, new project. Click on photos. Import your background. Click on your background, then you drag it. After dragging it, you come back, you mark anywhere, you click on overlay, add overlay. Then you click on video now, import your video now. So at this point, click it and expound it. Then you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto remover. Allow it to remove completely, okay? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Alright? Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials, okay? Welcome to the tutorial. Alright? So we are still on remove BG. We are removing BG, alright? A size patient. Now he has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, click on the video layer, right? Click on it, go and look for mask, okay? Locate mask, guys. Locate mask. Go and look for mask. Click on mask now. Click on rectangle, alright? Click on rectangle. Then turn the rectangle shape. Turn it, then you come and mark out your head. Look at what I am doing. Mark out your head. After that now, after marking out your head, you click on that good. Mark on that good now, alright? This is good. Mark on that good. Then click it and turn it. Turn your head this way around. Then after that, you click anywhere. Then you click on add overlay. Click on photos now. Add this your hand. Add your hand, okay? Then you click it and drag it. Drag it. After dragging it, you come back. You want to click it again now. As you click it now, you want to go and look for remove BG. Yes, click it, locate remove BG, okay? Click on remove BG, auto remover. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, click on the hand and turn it. After turning it now, you want to click it again to go and look for mask, alright? Look for mask again, okay? Locate mask, guys. Click on mask. Click on rectangle again. Then you come and expound it. After expounding it, you mark your hand out. Just look at what I am going to be doing. Push that rectangle down. As you push it down, you are marking out your hand. Then you take time to do your necessary adjustment. Look at what I am doing, okay? Just calm down. You know what you want your video to look like. Just do your necessary adjustments, alright? After adjusting everything now, we are going to be marking on that good to go back, alright? Then you click on that your head and drag your head down to the point of your hand. Then you take time to adjust it as well so that it will rhyme with this your hand. Look at what I am doing. After that, now we shall be playing the video to see what we have got, okay? Look at the video now. Can just look at the result of the video. This is what we have got so far, alright? calm down and play the video. All right, just calm down, play it. This is what we have got so far. All right, start playing it now. The next thing we are going to be doing is just calm down, play it. At the end of this video now, all right, we are going to be marking out the unwanted parts. All right, you play it. After playing it, remember that at the cost of playing it, you are taking time to identify errors. If there are errors there, you calm down and remove your errors. But after playing it, you find out that there is no errors, then your video is ready. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing now is we mark out the unwanted parts. Okay, this place is okay here. Click on this place now. Click on that place, make a split. Click on the second one, make a split. Click on the third one and make a split. Then you start deleting them. Delete this one as well. You click on the first one, the background, and delete it. Now your video is ready. All right, what will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect you want to add as the case may be. After that, you can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you export your video. But there is another thing you must know here. Remember, you use Auto Remove BG, and Auto Remove BG is a pro features. All right. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it because you are not a pro member. But don't worry about that. In one of my videos, they have recorded on how to use Capcut Pro features for free. Just go and watch that video. And after that, you will learn how to come and export your video. Then you export your video to your gallery. Okay? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Alright? If you like what we are doing, give us thumbs up. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.